Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use green color. Green color. The alphabets of A. Kids, now draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B, and use black color. Black color. B for ball, B for bus. The alphabets of B. It's neither C. C for cat, C for cow. The alphabets of C, and use blue color. Blue color. Kids, neither D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D, and use red color. Red color. The alphabets of D. Kids, neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, now draw numbers, and first we draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use green color. Green color. O N E 1. The numbers of 1, and use green color. Green color. Kids, neither 2. The numbers of 2, and use black color. Black color. The numbers of 2. T W O 2. The numbers of 2, and use black color. Black color. Kids, neither 3. The numbers of 3, and use blue color. Blue color. T H R W 3. The numbers of 3, and use blue color. Blue color. Kids, neither 4. The numbers of 4, and use red color, red color. F O U R, 4. The numbers of 4. Kids, neither 5. The numbers of 5, and use yellow color, yellow color. F I V E, 5. The numbers of 5, and use yellow color. The numbers of 5, and use yellow color. Kids, neither shapes. The shape of square, and use green color, green color. The shape of square, and use green color, green color. Kids, neither circle. The shape of circle, and use black color, black color. Kids, neither triangle. The shape of triangle, and use blue color, blue color. Kids, neither heart. The shape of heart, and use red color, red color. Kids, neither Easter. The shape of Easter, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.